Sets. A set is a group of items and numbers. We write sets in pairs of curly brackets. So we can say A is equal to the set that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each item as a set is called an element or a member of the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all elements of A and members of set A. Also, it is important to use a capital letter to represent the set and lowercase letters to represent elements within the set. We can also write that B is equal to the set X, where X is an odd number. The colon between the two X's means such that. So, we read it as B is equal to X such that X is odd. This is a set where it contains elements that follow the rule, which is X is odd. We could also write that set C is equal to the set X, where X plus 3 is less than or equal to 24. To work out the members of this set, we will need to rearrange the inequality so we have set C, which is the set such that X is less than or equal to 21. There is also special set notation we need to be familiar with, so let's talk through them. We have A equals and then two curly brackets. This means A is the set of X followed by a backwards 3 shape then followed by A, would mean X is an element of A. We can also write Y is not an element of A by drawing a diagonal line through the backwards 3 shape. Then we have N, followed by A in brackets. This means the number of elements in A. We can write an empty set into different ways. We can write a circle and draw a diagonal line through it. Or we could draw two curly brackets with nothing between them. The empty set is a set that has no members. For instance, if we have set D, which is the set of cube numbers, between 10 and 20, then D is equal to the empty set. As there are no cube numbers between 10 and 20. Lastly, we have the universal set symbol. The universal set is the group that members of a set are selected from. Let's have a go at some example questions. List the members of A which is equal to the set of numbers X, such that X is less than 30, if the universal set is equal to the set of numbers X, such that X is a square number. So we know that A has to contain square numbers only, as we can only select numbers from the universal set. We also know that set A contains numbers less than 30. So set A will be all the square numbers below 30. So, we can write A as the set of 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25, as these are all the square numbers that are less than 30. Now let's do question B. We need to find the number of elements in B where B is equal to the set of numbers of 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 5 numbers in set B, so we can write 10, then B in brackets, is equal to 5. Let's have a go at an exam-style question now. List the elements of C which is equal to the set of coordinates A, B such that A is a member of A and B is a member of B, and A plus B is less than 8. Where A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3 and 4. And B is equal to the set 0, 4 and 6. The way we need to find the members of set B is to find the combination of A and B that satisfy the inequality A plus B is less than 8. So we can create a table to find all the different possibilities. So we can write B/A. Then we can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, for horizontally across to represent the members of set A and the possible values of lowercase a. Then we can write 0, 4, and 6 vertically down to represent the members of set B. Let's draw lines across and down. Now let's add all the different possible values of lowercase a and lowercase b. So we can do 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. And 4 plus 0 is 4. Now let's do the next row. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. In the last row we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we can see all the numbers that are less than 8 and the associated values of a and b that will give that number. So let's circle all the numbers that are less than 8. Now we can write the combination of coordinates that will satisfy the inequality for set C. So we know that set C contains the coordinates 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, and lastly 1, 6. Want to continue learning? Then make sure to click onto the next video in this topic series. But first, if you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Maths Mentorship. Also, leave any questions you have in the comments section below.